Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. We're going to have just a little short one today because it is Easter Sunday. For those people that celebrate it, happy Easter. If you don't, happy Sunday. After me, we've got Shannon from Shan B Fluid Art, then Bubbles from venomfluidart. So stick around, enjoy the ride. What I'm going to do today is just have a bit of fun. I'm going to slap some different coloured cell activators down first on top of my pillow paint and then add colours over the top and see what we come up with. So kick back, relax, and I'll see you at the end.
History calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying, K, K. mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world's burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world's burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We
Alright, we'll do a quick flyover of that one. That's just loads of fun. You get some crazy designs that pop up when you put Cell Activator down first before all your other colours. It tends to bleed into the other colours, give you like a little bit of a watercolour effect in certain places as well. So definitely loads of fun. Alright guys, up next we've got Shannon from FlukieFluidArt. If you're in the live chat, just use the link that I put in there. It'll take you to Premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paintballing by VenomFluidArt on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you get to see everybody today, one after another, and you don't get lost. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.